Okay guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. My colleagues are tutors almost their most induction everyday forum about countries, Turkey and their family how people think about countries and the recording the lesser phrase on the forum. We argue in countries about call the assembly to countries and the technology exchange to our country market to become detail about technology or about the all of the country is that they talking about trust there and the countries. The three L's to often simple of where they see us government countries and the cooperative corporation. They regard the associate development on the government on corporation sitting and the forcible rulers and their complaining that people or the statute that contract is institution contraction their say is and every will allow Romania and the latest to tracing to control and measure the other. The efficiency between blocking and the other countries' technology is permitting an alternative to their countries. They argue that the now technology are trust. In their default institution, you can buy and sell things using Bitcoin without checking with a bank or government use case, blocking the technology. The other countries give recall all their ownership and the transition without recall trust in money or rain. Institution, the true belief that government of their country to avoid countries to comment among the country to start, but their nature got to stay further. The searcher to want to change the house and the forwarders. Chardal, where country is how change will happen. For countries, you using country as just way to buy and sell things. By your country, technology, the organization will become less different. A government, unlike to emanate to countries, people, and possible to write the way change the world and take control away from government. Pushing ideology this belief about household and the soldier her role in the society embodied ideology important for the country. Ideology is that this change happen to unless people use the country, the technology and the ideology the other for many of the destroying country to other people is not just a technology common to the varying and same country is for all the political and social perspective. They are depressing the country will remove country and the change society to trust the technology of our government. This technology over more version of the technology resists the rival government with technology, like technology rights to Bitcoin by technology, to Bitcoin by technology to control society, but they focus on racial and economic control more than physical rebirth and the because promoting country is part of this ideology. Country has often been a funny with illusion contrast their unefforting and the other, and over the other word, recently some desire and the development other to become inflation the problem with government contrast but the development their first country is going to flash video and the many people has lost money buying the country's wallet are developing to under and safe and for the transition of development to rifle countries to recall the development the technology the rise to people and society. There are also numerous developable role that government and contribution for the voting people. The money voting ensure for the bank to track money that been stolen. Believe their ability to security social change also overstand. Security technology don't result limited conversion or advice. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.